First of all, to work with the soft acrylic, you have to clean up your space like this. So we don't mix both acrylics because we don't. I cannot remember the word even in Spanish. If you mix the both acrylics together, it will be contaminated.
Contaminated.
You have to avoid all contamination because otherwise, then it will not settle. It's not the same liquid. It's not the same powder.
Okay. My stent. Do you know where is my stent? My nasal stent?
Maybe it's
This
this.
is mine? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. It's okay. No me importa si es mío, pero para no hacerlo llenar. Okay. So relax. Relax. Agua caliente. Okay. Okay.
Ya no está tan caliente.
No. Okay. Vale. Podríamos calentar un poquito.
One more what?
Por favor. Para allá vamos a echar esto. Hot?
It has to be
Hot or
extremely
warm?
hot.
No, extremely hot.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay.
Boiling better for the soft one.
Okay. Remember, drop by drop, but not here. And please don't touch the needle with the acrylic because the needle will attack, stuck. Okay.
It's the same way how we did the first one, yeah?
Yes, same way, yes. El comportamiento del acrílico es distinto.
Uy, qué difícil.
It's okay.
The acrylic doesn't act the same. It's different. The setting of both acrylics are different. Okay?
Okay.
The behavior of the acrylic is different.
Ah, gracias, Vilma.
Ya, Diosito, papá Dios le dio la vida.
Okay. Este es más espeso.
This one is thicker than the other one.
Yes.
Easier to handle, yes.
Okay, and you need just to cover and waste this.
What is it?
No, it's just telling you. Yes, we need a little amount.
Anybody wants tea, coffee?
And please remember, keep this angle. This. Because, porque dile que
Pero la visión,
la piel
La piel, the skin.
del nostril va
The skin
a
of the nostril is
descansar
going
aquí.
to just lay on the top of that angle. Ese está súper hirviendo. No, el otro,
Sí.
el otro, el otro.
Bueno, voy a pasarlo primero por aquí.
Then catch me, then they just do we transfer. You know we transfer?
I don't have it.
It's very great. It's nice because I'll show you how.
Okay, 30 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You will have time to think,
Yeah.
meditate.
Have new ideas.
Just to
Pray.
breathe.
Think
Just to
over.
breathe.
About the pandemic.
Yes. You calm your spirit down.
Right? Gentle. And if you touch, you can
Very,
feel
very
the
soft.
resilient
Resilient. Yes.
material. Clean.
The best you do it, the best response you're gonna get. Like if at home sometimes we don't have soft acrylic, so we have to do it all with hard acrylic. So the results are not the same.
La úlcera.
Drop by drop. Look how she places the spatula on the top of the wire. And then just let it down by gravity. Because I saw that some of you trying to put it in other places. No, just do it like that and wait and move and move and move. Don't and think.
Y para usar la gravedad, aquí tengo un ángulo y con este tengo otro.
There are two different angles, so you have to
do one by one.
One by one. Because if then you go like that, you lose your shape, and then you're going to end with the angle is going to be full, and then you have to repeat it again.
And always keep this angle.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Remember to keep the angle of the outer lip, because the outer lip is meant to sustain the stent in its place and avoid the stent from going inside. So it has to be a little bit bigger, and the angle has to go like 45 degrees.
Maybe 3 minutes?
Mhm.
Maybe. Okay.
Si lo pones en agua caliente, se hace rapidísimo.
30 seconds, and that's it.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ese está más frío.
Sí, fíjate aquí. If you are doing a lot, you can do, for example,
A hanger.
Puede ser un poquito de yeso que tengas ahí.
Con cera.
Sí, con cera.
Bilateral tengo.
El que sea así.
Ya te traigo.
Ok. Cualquiera. Solo sé. Sí, sí. Sí es porque para hacer una planta, if you are doing a lot in any wax, any model with wax, you can
You
put.
can put it like that. Just
Let's
right.
set in, okay?
Yeah.
And make the other.
And then you can have
Okay.
a lot ready
Okay.
for your training day.
Okay.
Okay.
Maybe that's it.